So a lot of the outreach programs that I'm involved in, their purpose is to incite excitement in particularly elementary and middle school students' excitement in science. We have a real issue in this country in that we have all of these bright young people who are going through our school systems, but they just don't seem to be interested in science. They have this perception that scientists sit in the lab all day and they look through microscopes and they take notes, and it seems kind of boring, or they're in a class. And so one of the things that we've really found is that when we go in and we show students what we actually do, we look at organisms, we look at how they swim in the water, we'll look at how volcanoes work, we'll blow volcanoes up. It's an incredibly different experience. They're more excited about learning how the earth works in general. They go outside a little bit more, and all of a sudden, these concepts that seem really esoteric and out there, they get it. It's fun to watch these kids really, their eyes light up, they get it.
They're like, so do you have to be like a total bookworm to be a scientist? And I'm like, well, no. If you're gonna be a marine scientist, you're gonna have to get dirty. You're gonna spend just as much time in the mud flats as you are in the lab. You can't be afraid to get bit or pinched or ruin an outfit. You kind of have to be adventurous.
By being involved in all of these different research projects, and I would say cutting edge research, really out there and discovering new things, I get to bring that information back to the classroom or to the outreach activities that I do all the time. I bring undergraduates out into the field with me. I've sent them to the Arctic. They've gotten to go to Bermuda. They've gotten to go to Venezuela, and to see, wow, this is what going out on a ship is like. This is what it's like to deploy all this different instrumentation. I think that's important, and that's just so valuable, and you can't get that by just teaching in a classroom and lecturing day in and day out. You really need to show them what it means and what the impacts are, and that's something that I think is really unique to what we do here.
This is the College of Arts and Sciences of the University of South Carolina.